Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we are going to look at a Delta glass washer. If you've ever been into a coffee shop and you watch them, they'll take a glass like this, they'll mix stuff with it, they reach over and they'll have something just like this on their counter. They put it in and they actually rinse the glass out. That's what this does, but on a home environment. So if I want to reuse this cup, I can put it on here, clean it, or if I'm fixing to put it in my dishwasher, I can pre-clean it with that and extremely quick. Now, one thing to keep in mind, if you're going to buy this and put it in your home, make sure that everything is siliconed and the tops are sealed, even if it's a hard surface. I have butcher block, so I have to make sure that I have no water that ends up setting back there, because if people get in a hurry and they're using this all day, you're liable to have a little bit of water back there. Another thing I would suggest, this is going to come with all of the attachments to be able to attach it to your existing water lines. I would go ahead and go to the big box store and pick up maybe a shutoff and put a separate shutoff for this. So if you do have a problem or you have to work on it, you don't have to shut down your entire house or kitchen's water supply. But overall, guys, I think it's fantastic, and they are going to give you everything you need to get this thing installed, and it should last a very long time. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. We'll see you guys on the next review.